Dear students, good morning everybody. Today we are going to discuss Block 23 LP2 Making Complex Sentences. Aim of today's class is to form complex sentences using subordinating conjunctions. Keyword is complex sentences. So already you know what do you mean by complex sentence. So complex sentence is a sentence combining two or more simple sentences by using conjunctions. So, what kinds of relationship do the conjunction when, after, before, as soon as, although, while, because, and if show in sentences? When, after, before, and as soon as show the relationship of time. Although and while show the relationship of contrast. Because and if show the relationship of cause and effect. These things already we know. Then all of you refer the teacher's resource sheet, and today we will learn how to form a complex sentence by joining two ideas with when, after, before, as soon as, although, while, because, and if. So what are the complex sentences you have formed? So here we have to form complex sentences using subordinating conjunctions. So here we have two simple sentences. So we have to make complex sentence by using these two simple sentences and subordinating conjunctions. First one, he had a sore throat. He drank a glass of chilled lemonade. So here we have to use a subordinating conjunction although. Although he had sore throat, he drank a glass of chilled lemonade. Next, second one is you have to pass the exam, then you can apply for the course. So here, if you want to apply for the course, you have to pass the exam. Third one, he has dogs and rabbits as pets. He like animals. He has dogs and rabbits as pets because he likes animals. So here we are going to use the conjunction because. Third one means here fourth one. I ate my food. I went to sleep. I ate my food before I went to sleep. So here I have used before. Next, fifth one. We reached the house. We ran into the kitchen. As soon as we reached the house, we ran into the kitchen. So here we have used as soon as. I had a high fever. I went to the doctor. When I had high fever, I went to the doctor. So here I have used when. Her mother is a tennis champion. She does not play the game anymore. Although her mother is a tennis champion, she does not play the game anymore. So here I have used the conjunction although. Okay, so what are the complex sentences we have formed? Next, what was your strategy to form a complex sentence out of the two ideas? Why do we need to make complex sentences? So to form a complex sentence, we first read the two ideas and we have to ask which of them is more important. The less important idea will take the conjunction. Then we have to ask what is the relationship between the two ideas. Which conjunction would best show this relationship? For example, if two ideas share a relationship of time, try to fit in when, after, before, and as soon as. In I ate my food before I went to sleep. Here, before is the most logical choice because when, after, and as soon as do not make any sense. Where can you use a comma in although he had sore throat? Okay, he drank a glass of chilled lemonade. Okay, dear students, here just you have to change it. Here it becomes franca. It should be drank. Okay, so where can we use a comma in although he had sore throat, he drank a glass of chilled lemonade. So in this complex sentence, a comma should be used after although he had a sore throat. This means that if a conjunction starts a complex sentence, then use a comma right after the group of words that shows an incomplete idea. It is also where we pause while speaking. So we do not need a comma in complex sentences that do not begin with conjunctions. Finish S2 from English Workbook Volume 3 of page number 36. So here question number 1 is complete the sentences using conjunctions from the box. Question number 2 is make a complex sentence by joining the two ideas and punctuate the sentences correctly. Okay, so this completes your block 23 LP2. Thank you one and all.